Welcome again to the outdoor training workshop. Today I will show you how to clean a felt air filter.